May it please your lordship. This is from the order award which comes to be passed by the CGIT, my lords. Now, the brief facts of this case are that, my lord, that he was appointed initially as a daily wage or a casual worker, my lords. And since he suffered a termination, retrenchment compensation was not granted to him. Accordingly, he traveled, my lord, before the appropriate government. A dispute was raised. The matter stood referred to the CGIT, Jabalpur, my lords. Now, insofar as the respondent were concerned, they did not file any reply or statement of claim, nor any evidence was led. The learned trial court, on a basis of an affidavit which was filed by the claimant applicant, my lords, comes to a conclusion that he was a person who was, in fact, he was not a casual wage, but on a contract basis, and therefore the retrenchment compensation.
He was contractually opiated.
अब इसमें इतना सा दो, I will not take more than 5 minutes.
You take 10 minutes.
No, I'll just come to the इनका जो order है, which comes at page. Award is of 3rd May 2012.
Page 10 से शुरू होता है.
हमने उसको सब skip कर लें. हम आ जाएं para 3 में.
Para 3 में.
Right? The management appeared through the lawyer, but subsequently became absent and did not file a written statement. Proceeded ex parte. Right? I skip. I come to issue number 1. Right? The workman has adduced oral and documentary evidence. The workman, Shri Madan Lal Dhabi, has come to support his case. He has stated that initially he was appointed as a casual labor by the management and worked till 31/1/2001. Thereafter, from 2002, the management had taken a work of contractor till his termination with effect from 31/1/2005. This shows that thereafter he was working on a contractual basis.
With effect from 2002.
Yes. So 2001 से 2 फिर उसके बाद it is said. Now we'll come to that. This shows that thereafter he was working on contract basis. Now this clearly shows that the provision section 200BB of the ID Act is applicable and is said to have been not retrenched. And therefore on that basis, my lord, it comes to a conclusion and therefore suffers a rejection. Let's have a perusal, my lord, of the affidavit. That's all that I would say. First, my lord, P2, which is at page 1616. What does it say? उपरोक्त विषय में आपको सूचित किया जाता है कि श्रीमान सोएंसो श्री मदन लाल सोएंसो दैनिक वेतन कर्मचारी P2
ये पढ़िएगा प्लीज.
तो ये 7 मार्च का
उपरोक्त विषय में
कृपया आपके कार्यालय के पत्र दिनांक सोएंसो संदर्भ में उपरोक्त विषय में आपको सूचित किया जाता है कि श्रीमान सोएंसो नारकोटिक्स आयुक्त सोएंसो मदन लाल आत्मा सोएंसो दैनिक वेतन भोगी कर्मचारी के रूप में पूर्ण कालिक अवधि हेतु नाम अनुमोदित कर दिया गया है. राइट नाउ स्टेटमेंट ऑफ क्लेम देख लें P3 at page 17. That's the first para. That the workman initially, it is his statement of claim, part-time casual labor with management so and so thereafter about full-time casual labor up to 31/1. Subsequently, a workman was allowed to work through alleged contractor, through a contractor who is for so-and-so as to deprive the workman various benefits under the labor laws. That the workman fell sick during the period 4/1/2005 to 31/1/2005, which resulted in his retrenchment. Para 3, that the workman submitted that he has terminated from service bad in law as the management has not. But ये affidavit देख लें, affidavit.
Second para पूरा पढ़ ले. That the workman fell sick during the period from 14/1/2005 to 31/2005. Therefore, he remained absent during this period. But when he presented himself for joining duty,
the management did not
allow him to join the duty.
And have terminated
services.
Right. ये तो ये बोल रहे हैं. और उसके बाद para 3 में that the workman submitted his termination from service bad in law. Management has not given him any retrenchment compensation. Right? And by an incompetent person, that the workman has completed so and so days. Now, this is what he says in his statement. About affidavit जो है, there is no counter to that, my lords.
जी.
और नीचे के कोर्ट के आ गया है, रिकॉर्ड आ गया है, casual labor लिखा है. अब ये therefore I worked with management up to 31/1. इसमें लिखा है worked up to so and so, taken a work of a contractor. ऐसा लिखा है that I say that the management has stopped me from working with effect from 31/2005. That I say that the management has adopted unfair labor practice, initially appointing me on casual, thereafter shown me as a contractor.
The issue is that he was shown on the rolls of the contractor with effect from 2001.
Right.
Did he ever object to this aspect from 2001 to 2005 when his contract was not renewed? Because
नहीं, he
see,
continued to work.
that will also constitute a change in service condition.
Very right.
An employee working for a particular unit, industrial unit,
जी.
if he is moved from that industrial unit
Right.
to be a worker under a contractor, then that will be the change of the service
नहीं,
condition.
ऐसा आया कहीं नहीं है
अच्छा,
कि
कहीं-
मुझे कहीं और जगह में कर दिया,
Record-
ऐसा नहीं आया।
नहीं, और जगह में नहीं।
पैरा 4 में देखिए सब जो डॉक्यूमेंट मैंने फाइल किए हैं,
हाँ हाँ, बताइए।
W1 से लेके W7 तक,
हाँ, क्या लिखा है?
अधीनस्थ न्यायालय का, ये सब हमारे पास कोई कॉपी
रिकॉर्ड
नहीं।
दीजिए।
लेटर है
आप
इनका।
इधर तो देखिए।
इनने कुछ रिटेलिएशन नहीं किया। यदि इनका लेटर है कि आई एम ऑन एज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, तो बात अलग हो गई, नो डिस्प्यूट, नो इश्यूज, बिकॉज इनका एविडेंस तो है नहीं कुछ।
देखते हैं ना, इसको पढ़ते हैं।
ये है क्या? What year? 673 कहाँ पर है? 73 का 74 नहीं है। चक्रा लेटर इसमें तुमने कब देखा? See, this is 73 2001. Where is that? 2001, not 4. 2004 है ये। This is dated December. ये कहाँ है? Now what is this? 7th March. ये है। What does it say? जिला अफीम अधिकारी स्थापना आवश्यकता पूर्णकालिक करने पर सोएंसो दिनांक सोएंसो उपयुक्त विषय में आपको सूचित किया गया कि श्रीमान नीमच दैनिक वेतन कर्म पूर्णकालिक अवधि हेतु अनुमोदित कर दिया है। 7 मार्च का है। 7 मार्च is there. Then 31/10/2003 मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट है ये तो। 31 प्रमाणित किया जाता है कि मदन लाल सोएंसो
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एम्प्लॉय का तो है, आप ही के दस्तावेज जो आपने लगाए W3, उसी में लिखा हुआ है
ठेके की बागवानी
लगभग पिछले 1 वर्ष से ठेके पर बागवानी व फर्रा शादी का कार्य किया है। ये सर्टिफिकेट है जिला अफीम अधिकारी द्वारा।
इस अवधि में कार्य
फिर उसके बाद दोबारा जो है ये एक लेटर है कि आपको मैसर्स नोबल सिक्योरिटी सर्विसेज इंदौर के द्वारा कार्यालय में अनुबंध के आधार पर, ये भी आप ही का डॉक्यूमेंट है।
हमारे ये स्वामी ने पेश किया है।
हाँ, आप इतने सिंपल हैं कि सब लगा दिया आपने।
क्या करें, सब ऐसे ही सब कंप्लीट कर दिया।
इसको कंक्लूड कर दें आपकी अनुमति से।
जी जी, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं इसमें।
फिर उसके बाद उसका कन्विक्शन भी है।
This is what is this? I stand obliged to my lords.
श्रीमती शोभा मेनन, लर्नेड काउंसिल, सीनियर एडवोकेट फॉर द पिटिशनर, असिस्टेड बाय रितु झंझानी। नेक्स्ट, श्री पुष्पेंद्र यादव, लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर रिस्पोंडेंट नंबर 1। नेक्स्ट,